Hello, boys and girls. Uncle Leo here again. You ready for another story? This one is called There's No Place Like Home. I'm sure you love your home. It's always a good place to be. Let's read about a man who went all over the world looking for the best place to be in the world. There once was a man who traveled all over the world. He saw many things. He learned about different places, met many people, and ate many different kinds of food. He climbed mountains and swam in beautiful oceans. After a year of travel, he came home to his wife and children. He sat by the fire and said, "I have everything I want right here. This is home. There really is no place like home."